Today we are going to discuss the IELTS Cambridge General Book 18 Test 4, the Writing Task 1, the semi-formal letter. You recently attended a training course for your work. Your employer has asked your feedback on the training course. Write a letter to your employer. In your letter, remind the employer what the course was about. Explain why the course was useful to you in your work and suggest why the course may not be suitable for some of your other colleagues. And begin your letter as follows. Dear Dash. This 150 word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Begin your letter with Dear Mr. Verghese. In para 1, mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, remind the employer what the course was about. In para 3, explain why the course was useful to you. In para 4, suggest why it may not be suitable for others. In para 5, summarize the letter. And then end with yours faithfully, George Kuriakose. The following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Mr. Verghese, I am writing this letter to you in response to your request for me to provide feedback regarding a professional course that I had attended last month, and if the course would be suitable for the others in my department to attend. The course that I attended was one that provided extensive training on how to produce social media videos for our products. I took this course upon the advice of our internet marketing strategist, Mr. Dubash. With the skills that I acquired from this course, I am now able to produce 2 to 3 videos every week featuring our products on various social media platforms. Our product awareness has started improving since the last few weeks as a result. All the same, the course may not be suitable for my colleagues as most of them are looking into accounts as well as logistics. I hope that this information fulfills your feedback requirements. Yours sincerely, George Kuriakose.